everyone, I am back today to share with you this project that I made from the Nostalgic Noel kit from Rach and Bella Crafts. You may know that I took part in that collaboration earlier in November, and my prompt was shabby vintage gift wrap tuck spots. And so I had a few examples, and I said that I was creating this folio, and so it's finished and I wanted to share it with you. So I have made just one of my usual trifold folios, and there's a how-to create the base of the folio up on my channel, and I'm going to link that below in case you're interested in making your own. And then I have just pieced different pattern papers from the kit. And then on the front, so I've just tied it with this kind of gold ribbon, golden green ribbon. And then on the front, I have added one of the background pages, and then from one of the journal pages, I've cut out this door and some presents and added them there. And then I've just kind of edged everything in gold rub and buff, and then I've just added some of my age tape. So let me show you. So this is just one of my trifolds, so you can see the three sections there, and then I've sewn in a large pocket here in the back. I've got a flip here, and then the signature is in the first section. So I'm going to show you the signature last. Let me share with you how I've set up the base here. So lots of trim. This is just some velvet trim and gold trim. I've got a snowflake embossed tag here. One of the background pages and a little button and some gold trim. And then in this envelope, I've got one of the freebies that goes along with this kit are numbers. There's quite a few different types of numbers. I think there's 4 different types, so I've just chosen one of them, and I've cut them all out, and they just go in this glassine envelope, and I've put them at the front there. So we'll come back to that. On the back flip, I've got a pocket here. This is some gold, some wide gold wired trim, and then over top I've just added this little piece of coffee dyed lace. And then on the front, I've just pieced that together. I've left it as a large pocket, and I've just added one of the tags from the kit with a little bit of sari ribbon trim. And then one of the postcards, I think that was from the last freebie. And then I've just taken one of, this is actually a piece from one of the collage pages, added a little star and a couple of little snowflakes there. And that's one of the cutouts from the kit. And then that's just a holly embossed tag and a little bit of ribbon at the top. On the back, I've got a baking paper pocket. So all of these pockets that you see like this are kind of a craft colored baking paper. And then I've just cut out a glittered star, added a bit of trim, and then another background page, and I've added a little poinsettia. On this side, I've added this is actually one of the journal pages, and I've just reduced them in size to be journal card size. So I've used that, the candy cane jar. And then I've just added a tag that I've cut out from one of the background pages, added a tab and a little bit of trim at the top. So lots of room for journaling. And then on the back here, we'll go to this flip. This is a square doily that I've just folded into a pocket. I've added one of the background pages as a tag, and then a couple of the ephemera pieces from the kit. So there's lots in here, and of course, if you're using this, you can take all of this out and add your own individual pieces, or you can use these kind of throughout the journal as well. In the center here, I've got a double pocket. So that's a snowflake embossed piece of cardstock, one of the background pages, and then I've just added this Christmas tree made from miniature cupcake liners, and added a bit of trim. One of the journaling cards from the kit, and then those are both journaling cards from the kit. And then this again is one of the background pages that I've just reduced in size to make a journaling card. In this large pocket, I've made from one of the background pages, and then I've just added a gusset there. And in it, I've taken one of the freebie pages. I just love this. So I've taken that freebie page, created a little booklet, added a little bag here in the front, and I thought this would be good if you're, I don't know, out and about, or, you know, need to do something with your shopping list, if you're Christmas shopping, and then it can just go right in there like that. And I've just got a little piece of ribbon here as the closure. So those are all of the base sides. And the flip out. So for the signature, I have added just some coffee dyed paper, as well as a few of the background pages from the kit. This is a glassine bag, and I've added one of the journal pages reduced in size again as the image on the front. And then I've just made a really simple journaling card with a tab and a little bit of stamping on it. A tab here that I've added a little bit of pearl trim to. Sari ruffle with some gold trim, some ledger paper. I've got a lace pocket. And if you saw my video from the collaboration, this is one of the tuck spots that I made. So it is coming along with this journal. And then I've just done some printing on vellum for that page. Another tab with some gold trim. Here's another sari ruffle. And then I've taken one of the little stamp pieces of ephemera and added it with a little gold star there. That's just a die cut that I have, and a little bit of trim here, just all on a bolt pin, just as a little tag. Craft paper with some cream and gold trim on the side. I've added lots of trims throughout. Tag with a little bit of sequin trim on it. Or a tab with some sequin trim. Again, baking paper pockets, and then I've added some sari ribbon and just a few different layers there of some trims that I have. Another of the journaling cards from the kit. And in this, I have added just a few of the fussy cuts and a couple of different of the smaller pieces that could be used throughout the journal if you're going to be using it. So that is that pocket. This side, one of the background pages reduced in size for a journaling card, and then I just made a tag with a die cut tab and some trim at the top. This side, just a tab with some gold sparkly trim, another sari ribbon ruffle. Oh, you can see I've got everything clipped on, but I haven't changed them to, these are just the ones that I use kind of temporarily. So there will be gold paper clips for anything that's clipped in. Sorry, I just noticed that. This was one of the other tuck spots that I created as a part of my collaboration project. So it as well is coming along. Now, these could be, the ones that I've just kind of tucked in, they could be glued in. So for instance, on this side, say you could glue this on this side and this side, and use it just as another tuck spot as well. So I just clipped them in because I thought it would be good for whoever ends up with this journal to decide how they want to use those. Another of the fussy cuts, that's a Christmas bulb and another star there that I've added just as a little tag or tab with trim there. In this pocket, I've got a tab here and another page reduced in size for a journaling card, a tag, and then one of the other freebie postcards. So there's like just a ton of things in this kit to be used in a journal. It's beautiful, just beautiful. So in this pocket, I've got a tag, and then I've made a little bag here. I decided to use the same door image that I used on the front, just as a bit of repetition, a little bit of trim there. And then I've just got a tag in the top. And there's a little bit of sheer fabric behind there that you can see. And in the bag at the back, another of the journal pages reduced in size. Pretty snow globe. And then this is one of the other freebie collage sheets that you can find on Rach and Bella's website. And I've added a tab with a little poinsettia there to that journaling card. So this is actually part of the giveaway. I said to Rachel that I wanted to make this folio as a part of the giveaway that she's doing. And to participate in the giveaway, you need to watch all of the videos in the Christmas Craft Off 24 collaboration, and like those videos and leave a comment. It's a great way to support a lot of different folks over on YouTube. There are just so many fabulous projects, so you'll definitely get lots of inspiration. So coming along with the folio then is the third tuck spot that I did as part of my project for the collaboration. So this will be coming along with the journal as well. So I wanted to share this finished folio with you and remind you to go and check out the collaboration. I hope you've already done that. There's just so many inspirational projects, and there's lots of them that I'm going to be doing myself as well. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.